solar wall lamp. So this is another solar light that goes outside. It attaches. You can use it for an accent lighting, a yard area you want lit up, a walkway, garden. Okay, so the light itself is metal. It's 5.5 volts, 1.5 watts. The battery is 1500 milliamp hours for it, and it 8 to 9 looms. So let's take a look at it. So inside the box you have your mounting hardware. You mount it outside. And like a lot of the other lights I've been seeing and testing, it has a really large collection plate here. That's important because it helps charge the batteries quicker. The instructions are here. There's not much to them. And this is the light itself. Okay, so this part of the housing is plastic. This is a motion detector. This is your LEDs, and there's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 15 LED lights. So we'll take a look at that in just a minute. And then you have your mounting bracket over here. So you can mount the bracket on the wall, and then you can actually install the light on top of it like this. It's going to go down, and then you can, if you need the light somewhere else, you can actually leave this mounted in the wall and take this with you. Okay, so let's take a look and see how we operate this bad boy. Let's see here. Unlock and activate. The internal battery is locked from the factory safety, so use this apply the key. Pin on off to click. So I'm trying to figure out how to turn this thing on. Okay, I'm going to pause this a minute and see. I don't see the switch. It's not an obvious switch that I'm seeing here. So I'm going to take a look. I can pause this for a minute while I figure it out and come back. All right, so I got this figured out, I think. I haven't tried it yet. So inside the little bag that has the mounting hardware, there's a pin. That might be hard to see. This is where reading instructions really helps. So there's 3 little pinholes here. So they say as they lock the battery down during shipment. So it's safe to ship. So there's little pinholes here, and there's probably an LED there as well. There's a little red LED here. So let's go ahead and see the red LED just lit once. That's twice. There we go. So let's see if I can get this to come on. There we go. Okay, so I turned off my light above, and the light goes off. So now it's motion or light activated, and now it comes on. You can see the LEDs below. So this is pretty bright. So it's supposed to be mounted like an eave like this. Okay, and it lights up the area pretty well. And it's supposed to be inside of my house at night. It's pretty dark. So again, you can see the LEDs all on here. And then the only thing I would say, concern me, I guess you can use a paper clip will work just fine. You don't lose the pin, but again, a paper clip should work just. So the different modes are this. You have steady on, which means that when it gets dark at night, it will come on and stay on until the battery dies. The other option is to make it motion activated. So at night, if there's motion, the light comes on, stays on for a few minutes, bright. It comes on bright for like a minute, and then it dims itself and stays on for a little while longer, but it doesn't use the battery as much, and then it turns off. So there's a couple more, and you can just turn it off. And the only way to, again, after activate the switches is to use this pin. So I suggest try not losing the pin. Again, the top part is metal, it's aluminum, it's nice, it's flat finish aluminum. There's a plastic film on top of this collector you'll take off, and then the bottom side is plastic, and then you have a plastic mounting bracket. So once you understand and read the instructions, you understand turning this on is pretty easy. We saw it work. It is bright. Yes, and we are good to go with that. So I like the product. Definitely one that I would say read the instructions first. And if you have any questions at all about the product, please ask in the comments below. Always happy to answer them, and the link to the product will be below. Thanks for watching.